How to delete your social club account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete your social club account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete your social club account, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all open your browser. Once you come to your browser, just go to socialclub.rockstargames.com. I'll also make sure to drop the direct link down in the description box below. Once you go to socialclub.rockstargames.com, make sure to sign into your Rockstar Games account that you want to delete. Then after you've done that, tap the profile icon from the top right, then just go to help, then go to support. Once you're on the support page over here, you're going to land on this page where you have to simply look for this option called social club, because that is what we want to delete. Once you select social club here, tap on social club account. Once you tap on social club account, just scroll down to the bottom until you see delete account and information. So just make sure to tap on delete account and information. As you tap on it, you're going to be able to see this tab up in your face where it says that we need to submit a web ticket. So just tap on the submit web ticket option over here, agree to the terms and conditions, tap on submit web ticket. After you've done that, you have to just fill in a specific form and then send it to Rockstar support team. Once you've done that, Rockstar Games is going to get back to you and then go ahead and then delete your account respectively. After you've done that, tap the reply option to save the changes. This way you can delete your social club account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.